Yes, I am in the airport, but that video is not about my traveling. It's about pigment, it's about solvent, and it's about oil. The thing is, I would like to tell you that if you have a pigment, solvent, and oil separately, just ordinary material, okay? But if you mix them together, it becomes something fantastic. That remember me, it's very often the same case. For example, with artists, okay, one artist is isolated, is nothing. If you help him, he becomes something else. And if many people help him, he will also change who he is and what he will produce. Just to tell you before starting the video, if you like that video, please thumb up. The third thing is if you can, as an alchemist, pour some coin on my Patreon, and that will make me change and become someone else. Okay, and my production will be also different. Okay, without further ado, we go to the movie. Hello, today it's 13 June 2024, and I am about to try to clear some kind of confusion about our medium, which is oil painting. So first question that my students have a difficulty to understand, it's how we use oil painting. So keep in mind that the medium of oil painting, it's oil. The medium of watercolor, it's water. So, but also they don't understand what is the difference between that, which is oil, and that, which is solvent. I have one exercise that I have done, and this exercise is on my painting here. You know, before varnishing, the process of varnishing, we used to oil out the surface of the painting. And to do that, we mix around 50% of oil and 50% of solvent. Okay, the solvent doesn't stay on your painting. You have to remember that, it's very important. The only thing to stay in the canvas, it's your pigment and that oil. That's all. Keep that in mind. So we will see that exercise. So as you can see, I oiling out my painting before the process of varnishing. For that I mix solvent and oil. And with a very clean rag, I rub my surface, the surface of the painting, to make the things equal and to make the surface perfect to receive my next and last layer, which will be varnish. So just after I finish that layer of oil and solvent together, as you can see, the surface is very bright, is shiny. Okay, but what happened after 2 or 4 days? The solvent evaporates. There is no more solvent on the surface of your painting. Just the oil we mix with the solvent. But look at that. The surface is matte now. Why? What happened? Because oil is supposed to be something shiny. And that's what is very important. So using solvent, which will disappear after a while, it's a good process, and that is things that you have to do. So always try to, not try, but pay attention of your mix between oil and solvent. So keep in mind that the solvent evaporates and your surface is more matte, which is very good, because that is exactly the right moment when you can work over that. You can make another session, another coat, of painting, or you can finish it like varnishing. So that's what I hope that experience and that vision and that movie will help you to understand. I know it's complicated because in the market you have so many mediums, okay? If you go to the supply shop and you ask for the medium, the seller will tell you which one, because there are so many. Yes, there are so many. But keep it simple, okay? For starting, try to be patient and buy one medium, one oil, who is relatively not too dry too fast. I hope that video helps you. My next video, I don't know that when will be, because I have to go to France and Spain. I hope you the best. Never give up. Use oil and keep painting. Bye.